No more gambling, just systematic upgrading. Find the purple line support, that's a discount, kid. Paying all your monthly bills, that's the knowledge I give.
So yeah, someone did ask me to look at Poet. So let's look at Poet. Somebody wanted me to look at Poet. Was it Karen Ashley, the Ukrainian guy? Shout out to the Ukrainian in my Discord. I made a really bad joke, so I'm surprised he hasn't left. But I said something like, man, there's a Russian girl in my Discord, so if the Russians win, I'm going to tell the Russian girl, hey, congrats on the big dub. And then I'm going to tell the Ukrainian, I'm so sorry for your loss. Like, it's so weird to have a Russian and a Ukrainian in the same Discord. Like, oh, man. But you know what's funny? It would be pretty sad if Ukraine wins, because Russia is supposed to win. On paper, Russia is supposed to win. So if Russia loses, that would be hilarious, because then I'd have to look at the Russian girl and be like, hey, look, Russian girl, I am so sorry for your losses. Goddamn, you lost, like, what? For every Ukrainian soldier, you lost like 100 Russians. Like, goddamn, I am so sorry for your losses. Holy crap! I mean, you were the one who started it, but still, goddamn, that is pathetic. I am so sorry, Svetlana. And then I'll tell the Ukrainian guy, hey, Karen Ashley, hey, props to you, man. Like, you guys are real soldiers. Like, holy shit, you beat Russia, even though you were supposed to lose on paper. Like, what? Okay, jokes aside, he wanted me to look at. I hope he is the Ukrainian guy. I'm pretty sure he is. He wanted me to look at Poet. So what I'm seeing here is, okay, it's in a trading range, bouncing up and down. It already found buyers down here at support. $5 is where we have support. Man. Dude, I can give you analysis on this. Karen Ashley, I can give you analysis on Poet. But the problem is, it doesn't even matter. My analysis is kind of worthless right now. It really is. If you guys haven't seen the meme, there's that meme where everyone's just, all the traders are just staring at Trump's social media. Like, the technicals right now don't even mean anything at this point, because it's all about, I mean, Trump is going to talk on Monday, then he's going to talk on Tuesday, and then he's going to talk, like, he literally talks every day now. So it's literally, like, the technicals don't even, they're superseded by Trump at this point. It's actually kind of ridiculous. I've never seen this. This is why I haven't released my trading book, because I'm like, whoa, I've never seen this. I need to learn how the hell to navigate this. But yeah, Poet here, it needs to break out above 6. So here's what I'm looking at. It has to break out above 620. If it can get above 620, it can make that move to $7, and then from there, 8. So that's about it. So I mean, it's kind of just whiplashing, right? It's just kind of up and down here, because the market's just being whiplashed. You know, Trump says one thing, we go up. Trump says another thing, we go down. Iran says something, we go up. Like, it's literally insane. So I mean, if you're in, I would look for the breakout on Monday to $7. That's what I would look for. If it's just going to stay in the trading range, then I mean, then I take advantage of it and run with the profit at that point. That's really all I can say. Because there's no predictability right now. There's no stability, so I can't even. Like I said, the technical analysis right now is just stare at Trump's tweets. Go to this Truth Social and just stare at it. That's going to be better indicator than analysis at this point. But it does have strong support at $5. So if it ever comes back to 5 and under, you would look to buy there and set a stop loss underneath the low of the day. So for example, here you would have set a stop loss at the low of the day, which is 487, and you would have bought it at around 509, and it's a good risk to reward ratio. But yeah, again, I think analysis at this point, just chuck it out the window, because it's all dictated by Trump right now. So shout out to Karen Ashley if he or she is watching. I think it's a he. They have weird names over there.